Where? How?
Islam.
It was an issue from the history, like in ancient Greek times, in Middle Ages, in classical time, in modern time, in capitalism. Everywhere Islam is coming, there is a fear.
So I have to admit that I don't know anything about Islam. Although I live in Berlin, and I live in the part of Berlin where maybe the biggest population of Muslim people lives. But the things I know about Islam is very basic. It's like the same I know about it. I know about Muhammad, Quran. I know very, very few things.
My opinion is that the Muslims in Slovenia, they are not so pressed. They haven't their rights, but of course there is not ideal, but it is quite good and tolerant country for the Muslims.
In Serbia there is a place for Muslims to pray, but in Novi Sad they actually use one ordinary house. So, and other citizens, mostly Serbs, are not so, let's say, open towards the Muslims, because there is a lot of propaganda during the war against it, and also after the 9th of November 2001.
Probably people should or must check what is Islam.
Still, I know that no fanatism, no religious fanatism like on 11 September is supported by the normal Muslim people.
They are trying to divide the world, like the Christian world and Islamic world. After this September 11th thing, they are just making some information flowing through the media that, there are a lot of terrorists living in Islam religion, and Islamic religion makes people terrorists.
In fact, this is one trend all over the world, that the xenophobia, fear and similar things happen because of globalization, and also because of some media and image they happen after September 11 and so, but in fact, in long term, I think that it will be more tolerant and more clear that this process will go on the other side. I think it will happen that this policy of, let's say, United States and West countries will be demystified.
We let the medias and the people, the politicians, to speak in our name, and that led to these terrible wars, and that led to this low-intensity war that we have now.
Media is bombarding the people with disinformation that Islam is coming to New York, Islam is coming to Slovenia, Islam is coming to
people who are really religious should do is not to listen to their priests.
Don't listen to television. The truth is somewhere in your mind. Search for it.
Kind of, yeah.
Kind of.
Allah says that no human being can take life from another human being because humans didn't give the life, so only Allah can take the life because He gave it. So this is what I know, and the rest is that it's still something mysterious because you cannot really enter it too much, I think, when you're not a Muslim.
One thing is really how should I say? Lots of different cultures. They have like their own culture, but their own culture are influenced by lots of different Mediterranean, Arabic. So it's really strange for me that they have like own individual culture who had the parts of lots of different cultures, and it's sustainable.
Much more sympathy for Muslim world, because I think that this policy and this trend will become more counterproductive.
Can you count, suckers? I say the future is ours. If you can count.
I don't know too much about Islam. And it's not coming, it's here. It's between us, it's in Berlin, it's in Mostar, it's even in Ljubljana, more hidden maybe, but it's here.
No, Islam is definitely here.
Islam is observable. It will not so bad if you come. And maybe I will become Islam. Maybe I will become Islam. Maybe I will become Islam.
¿Qué me estás hablando? No entiendo nada. ¿Qué me estás hablando? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cortaste, se acabó. Plac.